Building a safe future. 5 essential tips for construction worker safety. 1. Always wear personal protective equipment to ensure your safety at all times on the construction site. Proper use and maintenance of construction tools and machinery is crucial to prevent accidents and injuries. Adhere to established safety procedures and guidelines to minimize risks and maintain a secure working environment. Effective communication among team members about potential dangers or hazards will help prevent accidents. Taking frequent breaks and staying well rested can help reduce fatigue and improve focus on the job site. For valuable tips on construction worker safety,